Welcome to SAVEA Bay City Manila, one of the newest condo-style hotels in the ASEANA City area. With its modern design, amazing amenities, and strategic location near major malls and entertainment hubs, all without the premium price tag. It's quickly becoming a strong option in this area. Let's get started. SAVEA Bay City Manila is a newly opened condo-style hotel situated along Bell Avenue, corner Diosdado Macapagal Boulevard. Its location is one of its strongest advantages, just minutes away from City of Dreams Manila and Ayala Mall's Manila Bay. We book our stay for around 4,000 pesos per night, or approximately 70 US dollars, which positions itself as a solid value choice in the ASEANA City area. Do note that the property is still completing some sections, including the main restaurant. That said, in-room dining is available, ensuring guests still have convenient meal options. Let's check out Savea Bay. And I think they only have one type of room, so let's check out yung cabinets here. The cabinets spacious. So this is a apartment style room, apartment style hotel. So very spacious, and as you can see, we have full like a kitchenette, but I think you can consider this a kitchen already. Spacious. They have a microwave, a large bath here, and one of my favorite features, of course, coffee machine. And they even provide us with two capsules here, and then may induction cooker, and then they also have a fan for exhaust when cooking. Let's check if they have utensils. Yes, they have utensils. So that's another plus. And of course, the faucet is here. They have water. So malakas yung pressure ng water. You can see. And overall, very impressed with the kitchenette. And then the beds, double. Two double beds, which is a always a plus. And let's check yung comfortable ba siya. Yeah, medyo on the firmer side siya. So, and then there's a table here. Now let's check the television. I think this is a smart TV, which is again a plus. So let's check out the TV here. So that's a huge plus. It's not too big. I think this is about 42 inches. So one thing that I really like with accommodations na may smart TV is because you don't really watch TV anymore, right? You always use the internet to watch your streaming. And then let's check out first yung bathroom. So let's check out the bathroom. Oh, nice. Clean bathroom, spacious bathrooms here. So ceramic tiles, which is a plus again. And then they provided all of the towels here. And nice huge mirror here. They provided the soaps, and this is a lotion. And of course, toothbrush, vanity kit here. And even soaps and body wash, conditioner, shampoo. And then a nice shower. Clean, nice, spacious shower. And I really love it. I really love the setup here. Finally, let's check out the balcony here. So the balcony here and amazing view of the pool here. Later, I'll give you a closer look of the pools and you can do laps here as well. Ang ganda. So overall, I'm very impressed SAVEA Bay. They have a nice balcony here. It's not too big, just right. And then, of course, the amazing view of the pool below. Later, we'll go there and as well as the gym. We'll visit the gym. Uh, Very impressed. Oh, I like it here. Bye bye. One thing that I noticed is that SAVEA Bay City Manila doesn't have a traditional in-room phone method to contact services. They have a QR code that you can scan and message them online. When I tested it, they're fast to respond. The internet connection is amazing as well, faster than most recent hotels that we stayed in. Overall, I give SAVEA Bay City Manila an A+ for the amazing condo-style rooms, fast internet, smart TV, and comfortable beds. Let's talk about one of the highlights of SAVEA Bay City, Manila. Its impressive U-shaped swimming pool. It's one of the most unique hotel pools we've seen recently. The layout is great if you want to do some pool laps. But there's also a smaller square pool that's perfect for kids and toddlers. During our stay, a playground and a dedicated kiddie pool were still under construction, which should make this area even more family-friendly once completed. The hotel also has a conference room, making it suitable for small meetings or business events. There's also a medium-sized gym equipped with modern machines, which is more than enough for a quick workout during your stay. For dining, there's a large restaurant space where the breakfast buffet is served. I didn't get to try the buffet breakfast during our visit, so I can't comment on the food yet, but the dining area itself is spacious and looks comfortable. Overall, I give SAVEA Bay City Manila a solid B+. It has a standard U-shaped pool, a spacious courtyard area, and a modern gym that's great for quick workouts. The hotel definitely has a lot of going for it, but with a few amenities still under construction during our stay, it falls just a step short of being a complete experience. Here are some noteworthy highlights from our short stay at SAVEA Bay City, Manila. Service was great even without the standard in-room telephone. The staff handled all my concerns quickly and professionally via their chat. Another huge plus is the location. It's just a short walk away from Ayala Malls Manila Bay and City of Dreams Manila, while within 10 minutes taxi or car ride from SM Mall of Asia. I stayed here for one night for the National Milo Marathons, and while it's about 2 kilometers away from the event area, it only took about a 15 minutes grab car ride from the hotel to the Mall of Asia concert grounds, where the running event was being held. Overall, I'll give SAVEA Bay City Manila a solid B for its good service and location. I can't comment on their food as I haven't really tried it and the restaurant is still under construction. It offers impressive facilities and amenities, spacious condo-style rooms, a convenient location in the Bay City area. While a few sections of the property were still under construction during our stay, the overall experience was still very positive. Overall, I'll give SAVEA Bay City Manila an A-. It's a great option for a staycation, especially if you're looking for a comfortable place to stay around the ASEANA City area. Thanks for watching and hopefully this video has helped you with your future travel plans in the metro. Please like and subscribe for more amazing staycation videos. See you on our next travel.